In today's video, I am going to teach you how to configure Hubspot to detect workflow anomalies and set up alerts. Workflow anomalies can show up as sudden spikes or drops in enrollments, or as a workflow that starts behaving differently and needs a closer look. Hubspot can monitor for these changes and notify the right people, so issues do not go unnoticed. I will walk you through turning on the built-in review and enrollment rate alerts for a specific workflow. Start by going to your Hubspot account and opening the automation menu. From there, choose Workflows. You will see your list of workflows. Find the one you want to monitor, and click directly on the workflow name to open it. This is important because these notification settings are configured per workflow, not as a global setting. Once the workflow is open, look across the top navigation inside the workflow editor and click the Settings tab. This is where Hubspot keeps options related to performance, notifications, and other workflow-level controls. In Settings, find the option labeled Get Notified when this workflow needs review, and switch it to On. This alert is helpful when Hubspot detects signs that the workflow may require attention, such as potential errors or unusual behavior that could affect results. Next, locate Get Notified if the enrollment rate changes, and toggle that setting to On as well. Enrollment rate change alerts are useful for catching unexpected shifts in how many records are entering the workflow. For example, a sudden drop might point to a broken enrollment trigger, while a sudden spike might indicate that a filter or form is enrolling more records than intended. After turning on those notifications, set who should receive them. In the Notification Recipients field, choose either specific users or teams. Pick the option that best matches how your organization handles workflow ownership. If one person maintains the workflow, selecting specific users keeps alerts focused. If a group shares responsibility, selecting a team makes sure coverage is consistent when someone is unavailable. Take a moment to confirm you selected the correct recipients, since alerts are only useful if they go to people who can act on them quickly. Finally, click Save in the bottom left to apply your changes. If you navigate away without saving, Hubspot will not keep the updated notification settings. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.